The Dresser Formation is located in the East Pilbara region of Western Australia. For reference purposes, on Google Maps it can be found at Marble Bar. It contains some of Earth's oldest and most well-preserved volcanic and sedimentary rock, and is believed to have evidence of the earliest life on Earth. This evidence takes the form of stromatolites, structures produced by sediment trapping, binding, and/or precipitation as a result of the growth and metabolic activity of microbes. The stromatolites at Shark Bay, also in Western Australia, are living evidence of this process.
However, stromatolite-like structures can also form via abiogenic processes. In this way, the biogenesis of ancient stromatolites at the Dresser Formation is highly contested. We aim to show that without a doubt, the biotic origin of these stromatolites. There are 4 pieces of evidence which support our claim. Number 1. The presence of geyserite at Geyserite Locality Site 1. In modern-day hot spring environments, thermophilic microbes are known to be associated with the formation of precipitates such as geyserite. It is thought that they mediate the precipitation of carbonates by influencing the degassing of CO2. Thus, the geyserite banding provides support for biogenetic origin of stromatolites by showing the interaction between microbes and sediments.
Number 2. The co-occurrence of stromatolites and geyserite, also at Geyserite Locality Site 1. This piece of evidence works in conjunction with that of the previous sample to support the biogenic origin of stromatolites. The close proximity of this stromatolite to the geyserite banding suggests that it formed in the hot spring environment, a known site of microbial communities.
Number 3. The presence of starbursts at Zebra Rock, Site 1, and the volcanic ash at Barite Curl, Jockage, Site 1. Note the starburst shown on screen. These formations occur when water evaporates, leaving salts to form. This shape, however, isn't traditional halite. Rather, the shape indicates gypsum or calcium sulfate. Calcium and sulfate ions are deposited into water bodies in one of 2 ways, either by hot springs from volcanic flows or volcanic vapor. Evidence of volcanic ash is found in fossils of branching microbial structures.
Number 4. Sediment layer morphology found at Barite MVK Site 2. The physical structure of the sampled layers indicates an interaction between microbial life and sediment, supporting the biogenic origin of the stromatolite. The angular draping of sediment layers indicates that the stromatolite formed during sediment accumulation, pushing the layers of sediment up and out. If the stromatolite formed abiologically, it would not have been able to influence the other layers of sediment in such a way. Now we bring all this evidence together with a sample from Zebra Rock Site 3. The positioning of stromatolites above sediments and hydrothermal veins supports the vision of this site as an underground volcanic caldera system feeding into a stromatolite shallow water interface on the surface. Shallow water indicated by wrinkles in the rock.
We can thus conclude that the environment that these microbes existed in was indeed one of volcanic and mineral-rich hot springs, rather than the marine environment. All this evidence supports the biogenesis of the Dresser Formation stromatolites.